Before buying a Dewalt 20V leaf blower, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Dewalt 20V Max Blower. Let's kick things off with the Dewalt 20V Max Blower, priced at $120. What caught my eye? It's super lightweight and cordless, perfect for those easy yard cleanups. If you want a reliable tool for clearing debris without a hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It offers a max airflow of 100 CFM, which means you can easily blow away leaves and debris without straining your back. The variable speed switch gives you control depending on the mess in front of you, and the trigger lock-on feature helps reduce fatigue. With over 4,000 of these bought in the past month, it's clear that folks appreciate its convenience. Now, some people complained about it being a bare tool only, meaning you'll need to buy the battery and charger separately. Here's the thing though, if you already own Dewalt batteries from other tools, you're in luck. It's not a deal breaker if you're already invested in the Dewalt ecosystem. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight solution for small to medium cleanup tasks. Skip this one if you need something that can handle larger jobs without needing additional batteries. Overall, it offers great value for those in the Dewalt family. Now, if the bare tool aspect bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, HeinPro Cordless Leaf Blower. We have the HeinPro Cordless Leaf Blower, priced at an incredibly low $52.98. This caught my attention because it's compatible with Dewalt 20V batteries and offers serious power for its price. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance, this one's a steal. Let's break down the specs. It delivers a max air volume of 500 CFM and wind speed of 150 mph, which means it can tackle even those stubborn piles of leaves. With 5 speed modes, you can adjust the power based on the task, saving battery life when you don't need full blast. Plus, the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use for longer periods. With over 900 units sold recently, it's clear buyers feel they're getting a lot for their money. Now, some users have pointed out that it doesn't come with a battery or charger, which might be frustrating if you're not already in the Dewalt battery ecosystem. But honestly, if you have those already, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's an excellent addition to your toolkit. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful tool without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need a complete set with battery included. The value here is fantastic, especially for occasional use. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for heavy-duty needs. Product number 3, Dewalt 60V Max FlexVolt Leaf Blower, priced at $177.94. This one stands out with its incredible power and efficiency. If you need a serious tool for big jobs, this is worth considering. It packs a punch with an impressive 600 CFM airflow and can reach wind speeds up to 125 miles per hour. This means you can clear out large areas quickly and effectively. The lightweight and handheld design makes it easy to maneuver, which is essential when you're tackling a big yard or commercial space. It's getting attention, with about 900 units flying off the shelves recently. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you often find yourself overwhelmed with heavy debris, this blower will handle it like a pro. Now, some users noted that it's a bit pricier than other options, but I'll be real with you. The power and efficiency make it worth the investment if you're looking for a reliable tool for ongoing use. This is perfect for you if you have a large property or frequently work on job sites. Skip this one if you're just needing something for small leaf piles. The performance justifies the cost for serious users. Now, if that price point is a bit high for your taste, the next product is budget-friendly without sacrificing power. Product number 4, Cordless Leaf Blower with Brushless Motor. The next contender is the Cordless Leaf Blower with Brushless Motor, priced at $43.99. This one caught my eye because it combines affordability with performance. If you want something that performs well without costing a fortune, this might be it. This blower features a brushless motor, which means it's more efficient and durable than traditional motors. It boasts 6 variable speeds, ramping up to an impressive 180 miles per hour. This flexibility allows you to match the blower's power with the task at hand, whether it's light yard cleanup or pushing stubborn debris. Plus, with over 600 units sold recently, it's gaining traction among buyers. Now, a few users mentioned that it feels a bit less robust compared to higher-end models. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a reliable tool for occasional use, this still holds up well for the price. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable option that's easy to use. Skip this one if you're looking for something for heavy-duty work.
It's a solid value for light to moderate tasks. Finally, if you want something even more portable, the last product might be your best bet.
Product number 5, compact battery-powered leaf blower, priced at just $39.99. This one is great for smaller jobs and is super easy to handle. If you want a lightweight blower that you can easily store, this is worth checking out. This model offers up to 200 mph wind speed and 3 speed modes, making it versatile for different tasks. It's designed specifically for smaller areas, perfect for patios or tight spaces. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver, and at under $40, it's hard to beat. With over 500 sold recently, it's clearly filling a niche. However, some users found that while it's great for light cleanup, it doesn't have to power for heavier debris. But honestly, if you're mainly dealing with leaves or light twigs, this won't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want something lightweight for quick jobs around your home. Skip this one if you need something for larger yards or heavy-duty work. For the price, it's an excellent choice for those light tasks. To wrap it up, we've gone through some great options. The Dewalt 20V Max Blower offers reliability for light jobs, while the Hein Pro is a budget-friendly powerhouse. The Dewalt 60V Max FlexFold is perfect for serious users, and the cordless leaf blower with brushless motor provides excellent performance at a low price. Finally, the compact battery-powered leaf blower is a sweet option for quick cleanups. Choose based on your specific needs and you won't go wrong.